Welcome back to my channel. I knew I was meant to do a full review for my Huawei tablet that I got from Argos for, I think it was about £250 at that time. The price has gone down anyways to 230. Just general overview before I start the main reason I'm posting this video today. General overview about this Huawei tablet. It's a wonderful buy. It took me a while to get used to the system, but when I got a hang of it, it was, it was very good. It was a brilliant option a decision that I made. But anyways, now focusing on the reason why we're here. So this tablet is only 32 gigabyte, and I use it to do a lot of media consumption. I use it to do a lot of work because Microsoft Word comes free with it, which is very great. Syncs everything together, and it only comes with 32 gigabytes. That's the one. That's what I know for UK anyways. That's how much I got it. And so I thought I'd buy a micro SD for it because it accepts micro SD for up to 256 gigabytes of storage. So I decided to try something new. I bought it using Wish. As you can see, the logo is almost going off. Reason is because the package came 2 weeks earlier than it was meant to come. It was meant to come tomorrow actually, and it came about 2 weeks ago, but I haven't opened it or done nothing whatsoever. So I thought I'd share the experience with you. So it's micro SD card. I think it's meant to, I don't know how much it's meant to cost full price, but on Wish I bought it for £6.62, and shipping I paid £2 for it. So it totally cost me £8.65. Yep, £8.65 for 256 gigabyte memory. Micro SD. I'm not really sure what I'm gonna expect, but it's gonna be interesting. I mean, I watched a couple of videos for a hard drive, and by the way, I also bought a hard drive and a wallet. I'm gonna do reviews about those ones as well. And the wallet, I got it for free when I signed up, so I only had to pay for shipping. So that's gonna be interesting. I feel there's probably not gonna be any problem with wallets, but the hard drive, we'll see. We'll see how that goes. But anyways, the micro SD, as you can see, from Wish to Great Britain right here, and that's where it came from. So I'm just gonna open it now, and see how that goes. I don't have my massive knife to tear it open now. And by the way, before I bought this, my friend sent me a lot of warning saying I'm just wasting my money and it's gonna be crap. It's probably not gonna be up to 256 gigabytes. It's just gonna be maybe 3 gigabytes. Say the same thing about the hard drive as well, because the hard drive was 1 terabyte. So if you stick around, I'm going to show that to you. In fact, I meant to be going to get that in the post office today. So anyway, so I've just ripped it all open after my struggle. So what I'm going to do now is take it out of the package. Oh wow, there's a micro USB in there as well. I didn't notice. I don't even know. I can't even remember what I bought anymore. But yeah, it actually comes with a free micro SD. There's nothing else in the bag, as you can see. I'm actually shocked. I got a free micro SD. I don't know what this is actually. It says here, oh, this is micro SD, but at the same time it says USB 2.0 here. Oh, I see. The micro SD goes in here. It's like an adapter. Oh, that's very good. And we get another adapter here as well. And also we get the micro USB in here, 256 gigabyte. Interesting. I didn't even know I was going to get this bit for free, or maybe I knew but I literally forgot it was in there. So that's actually good. I'd actually think, I don't have to test it on my tablet first now or on my Surface Pro. Broken screen. There it is. I'm not quite sure what to test it on now, to be fair. I'm just going to adjust my camera. Yeah, I'm not quite sure what to test it on now, but I said I was going to get it for the Huawei, and I should use it for the Huawei. So I'm just going to find a pin ejection tool to open this now. So give me a few seconds. All right, so after scrambling around the entire flat that has about 6 different phones in it, for some reason I couldn't find any SIM tray, but however I managed to get it open using a key ring. So it's finally open. I'm just going to put this in my Wish micro SD. I mean, so far it looks Just focus on it. It looks very legit. As you can see, it's 256 gigabyte. I don't know how a normal one is meant to look like, but I paid a total, including delivery for £8.86. I'll probably give more reviews about this micro SD in time, but I just thought you have a look anyways. This is for people in the UK, by the way, so oh, it's falling off. I'm just gonna put it in now. My struggle. I can't remember how I took it out. So, and by the way, the micro SD looks like this because, I mean, the micro SD SIM tray for the Huawei Tab looks like this because there's meant to be a SIM card version as well, but I don't think that's in the UK at all. At least not quite yet. There we are. I think, oh, there we go. Finally fit it in. That was a bit of a struggle. So we're just gonna go and check. Oh, there we go. Look at what it said straight away. Low speed SD card. Using low speed. Oh, I missed the message. I just keep pushing this button so many times. So, and by the way, in case you don't know, this is the Huawei MediaPad M5 Lite. This one here, not that one, not that one, this one. That's my Surface Pro tablet. So I'm just gonna open it with my fingerprint there. Let's read the message again. Is it still there? Yeah. Using low-speed SD cards may impact system performance. Please use cards that are class 10 or higher. I have no idea what class this is, but I pretty much didn't pay a lot of money for it, so we shall see how that goes. So I've tapped on it now. It's gone away. Tap. Okay, it doesn't do anything. So I'm just going to go and check in settings now and see how that is. So storage, internal storage. You see, that's how much I've got left. Very tiny. 131, and a SD card. There we go. 268 gigabyte free, 268 gigabyte available. So far it works. It looks like it does. I don't know if I can save things in certain places. Let's see. Let's see if I open the internal storage. It's calculating. Let's go with apps. Oh no, let's try videos first. Nothing is opening. Okay, I'm gonna have to find a way to move things from micro SD, from the internal storage to micro SD, but so far everything is working fine. But I'm sure it's when it comes to saving something that I might start to notice the difference in all of it. So, but yeah, that's the unboxing of micro SD from Wish, and I hope you've enjoyed the video. If I have any more complaints, I'm going to post a video. If I figure out how to do it, I'm going to post another video. Coming up next will be I also have a wallet to unbox from Wish, a hard drive to unbox from Wish. I mean, they all came 2 weeks earlier than they were supposed to, because normally it takes almost 20 to 30 days for them to come for some reason, but it comes like 2 weeks earlier. Sometimes it only takes a week, to be fair, and they arrive here. And I'm talking about UK, England, Liverpool to be precise. Yeah, that's it for now. If I have any more complaints, I'll let you know. So if you actually buy something from Wish, no, you will receive it anyways. It's what it works. It's how it works that matters. I mean, it's 2018 and they still produce slow, or they still make the very low power SD card. So that just shows you what you get anyway. So if you're looking for something really fast, you know, those powerful micro SD, you probably wouldn't find it off Wish. I'm gonna also try and buy a what's it called, a drone, and see how that compares. But anyways, thanks for watching. See you guys in the next one. Bye.